Alright, here's a Aquaponics update video. This part right here, you can see the Swiss chard is doing real good. The lettuce just does whatever. Conrad pulled that one out right there. It used to live right there. I'll probably get rid of it, eat it or something, but there's not, it doesn't grow right anyway. Here's the fish. I planted some more Swiss chard back there, since it seems to be the only thing that really is happy. I don't think I have enough light here. And I also, I just did a test, and nitrates are super low. So I think this tomato plant, this big tomato plant, is sucking up all the nutrients, and it's not giving me tomatoes. It makes these tiny little flowers. You can barely see it. I can't find any. It makes tiny little flowers, and then they just fall off and die. So I just did a test. You can see my nitrates. It's not really focused. Anyway, nitrates are at 0. So either I got to get more fish. I'm just going to take out this tomato plant because it's not doing anything. The reason I even checked it is because this green pepper plant right here started doing real good, and then all of a sudden it just kind of stopped. So I think it's it's not getting anything out of the water. So maybe it'll do better once I take that tomato plant out. There. And I can't get it to focus on there. There we go. That's like the little flowers it has that come off. But they don't do anything. They don't actually bloom. And, oh, there's some right there. They don't bloom. And they don't produce any tomatoes. The cucumbers, you can see a little cucumber right there, starting. Got a flower on it. There's been a few of those that came up, and then they died also. You see right there. So maybe once I get this tomato plant out, there'll be less competition, and they'll do better. Probably pull that basil plant out back there too. I could just dry that whole thing. Crunch it up and put it in a jar. So I had this other thing over here, and it got a leak. So I moved everything over to this. I don't think it was actually leaking though. I think the bubbles were hitting the top of the lid, and then they were running down the sides and dripping off. But either way, I couldn't move the thing to check anything anyway, so pretty much had to get rid of it. So anyway, Yeah, that's about it.